With the new automatic solder feeder series, Weller streamlines the art of soldering. Efficient single-handed soldering is accomplished by the use of an automatic solder feeder which is fused to the soldering tool. No longer do you have to struggle with manipulating the iron, the solder wire, and the component at the same time. The preset solder wire delivery system enables the uniform application of the solder. You are in control with your choice of a pulse or timer mode, which ensures the smooth delivery of solder to the joint. You'll be pleased by the consistent and repeatable results. The automatic solder feeder is compatible with all Weller stations and is available in 80 and 120 watt versions. The 120 watt tool is used with Weller WX stations.